And look who's there. Look who's there.
I want them both.
Okay.
Can't afford both, Cam.
Look at you.
Yeah. Actually, one of them, whichever one you don't get, is sold.
I know.
But I do have one little boy left.
Well, you're just excited. You're just excited.
Right. Been in the trailer for 24 hours. You'd be excited if you get out too.
What are you doing there, little lady?
Mm-hmm. You ready to bed? See? She will not do that to me.
Is that Maggie?
I think it's Maggie. I've known all along this is Maggie. I really have. I've known all along that's Maggie.
Where did,
What you doing, Maggie? It's right here beside me.
Oh, okay. Kind of like my kids. I got to find them.
What's that? What is that? She says, I don't know. Let me get my teeth on it. There you are.
Look at Daddy.
There we go.
Look at Daddy.
It's official. There's Maggie. There's little Maggie right there.
Girl. There's your girl.
And there's Maggie's old mom getting final kisses here.
Oh, Mom.
She now becomes Grandma.
Yeah, now I'm Grandma.
Grandma. Okay, here we go. It's mother and daughter.
Chewing on my ring.
There she is. Mother and daughter.
Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Hey, Maggie. What you doing, Maggie? There she is. There's Maggie. There's Maggie May. What you doing, Maggie? Maggie.